All right, my friends, check it. Check out my hoodie, right? You too can get one of these. That's not straight. I think that's straight. That better? Yeah, I think that's better. Okay. So today we are looking at a pair of earbuds. Why not? From Haylou. And these are the X1s. Now, I don't know if these have been out for a while. I went on their website and there is an X1 Pro, and I can't seem to find too many spots that have the X1 actually for sale outside of like their own website and like AliExpress, I think it was. I think it was AliExpress. Yeah, AliExpress has them. About $60. You guys can see them here. $58.47. That's Canadian. So that's decent price. If of course they sound good, but they are or seem to be pretty feature rich. So we're going to take a look at Haylou's website, the X1 part of their site. We'll crack them open. We'll connect them with my phone. We'll give them a first listen to, see what we think, test the mic, etc., like that. And then, of course, in a follow-up video that'll come out later today, I'll let you know what I think of them after I've worn them for about a week. Yeah. Okay, so first off, before we crack open this here box, this is them right there. Haylou X1, Bluetooth 5.2, 30 hours of battery life. Of course, that's with the charging case. Wireless charging, that's a nice feature, wireless charging. Smart dual noise canceling. 6 mic, smart call noise cancellation. That's really nice too. Minus 35 decibels for active noise canceling. AAC audio codecs, low latency mode for those of you that will be using this possibly for doing some gaming. IPX4 waterproof, and they come in black. Yeah, 49 bucks. That's US, which would equate to about that $60 Canadian. This is them. This is the box right here, right? Multi-mode noise canceling. I don't know if it's AI call noise canceling on this guy. And hey, listen to me. All right, I'll listen to you. I'll give you a listen. Why not? Okay. So, box, right? Yep, box. And here we go. So the nice thing with these is you can see here is that the actual earbuds come outside of the case, and they do that probably so that they don't discharge. A lot of them will put little stickers on the earbuds, but I do know a lot of people that forget to take those stickers off, and then, you know, they have Bluetooth pairing issues, of course. They can't get them to charge, etc., etc. There they are right there. Haylou, right? Haylou. You get to see the name on there. Small, definitely a small case, which is kind of nice. Little thicker this way, a little bit, but not too bad. Yeah, that's all right. I don't mind those as far as case goes. USB-C. I do like that they're tiny. These will open up, and we'll put these in there. The Haylou's have a little bit of a like an AirPod-ish type feel to them, AirPod Pro type look. You guys can see them, right? It's AirPod Pro-ish type look. I like the matte black though. I am a fan of that. So those go in there. I'm hoping these have a bit of a charge. I don't know. Anything else inside here? Well, I guess it has a little pull right there. Kind of a weird box setup. I'm gonna say that, kind of weird. All right, so we've got, you guys can see it there. It's gonna be a USB-A to USB-C. Again, really tiny cable. I'm not a fan of the little tiny cables that companies give you, but whatever. And then a set of smaller tips and a set of bigger tips. So cool. Luckily for me, I'm usually the medium, so that's good. And a fold-out manual. There it is, right there, upside down. Does everything you need. Fonts are big enough to read. A little faint, but it is what it is, right? All right, cool. Very nice. All right, and then we're gonna bring our phone over here so you guys can see that. And these, Haylou, and I'm hoping, all I can do is hope. I hope they have some charge. They've been sitting in a box for a while. So let's go to the bottom here, crack these open. Boom, look at that, Haylou. Just like that. Didn't even have to take them out of the case. Are they connected now? Somewhere in there? Yep, Haylou X1s. That was easy. Okie dokie. Any stickers or anything on there? No. Okay. Feel good? They do remind me very much so of, oh, I'm playing something already. They remind me a lot of like AirPod Pros. Kind of in that feeling. All right. Seem to go in good. And they got a nice, like, just a seal all by themselves. And I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, I would say that I'm in some kind of possibly transparency mode right now because it sounds like I'm hearing myself. So let's see if I hold one of these sides. Hello, hello. So that definitely changed the audio. It just went dong dong. It didn't give me like a voice prompt. And ding. Hello, hello. Oh, that's transparency. Oh yeah, for sure. That's definitely transparency right there. So the transparency mode has like a little ding. It's like almost like a phone ring. And then that's noise canceling. Okay, that sounds okay. And then I think it has like a nothing. Yeah, so if you get this dome, sounds funny. I think that's just nothing. There's nothing on. Then you got like a little phone ring that turns on transparency mode. And then you got something very similar actually that turns active noise canceling on. So, all right. So right now I have, I'd say that's nothing. Bling. That's transparency. Yeah, the transparency mode is actually quite good. Because a lot of times with transparency, I'm like, yeah, I can hear it. No, these are funneling very well. So let's put some music on there, shall we? We'll go to our standards. What do we have here? What do we got playing on the old library? You can always tell, and my wife and daughter, we have the same Apple Music account. So I can always tell when they're listening to something because I'm like, that's not something I'd be listening to, which is fine. Hey, we all have our own musical tastes and styles. Let's go here though. We'll bring up Telephone from Lady Gaga. Okay, I'm going to put the active noise canceling on. Okay, the highs are really good. Yeah, the highs and mids are decent. Share the bass right now. Oh yeah, they got a nice sound. Not like crazy on the bass side, but let's just crank them up. So they're loud. I'll give them that. Oh yeah, it's a nice sound actually. And really crispy, especially in that mids. Oh yeah, no, that's actually very nice. Now I don't know what the sound leak is like. And sound leak's going to be a little different depending on how they fit, right? So if they fit really well, you may notice less sound leak, of course, than if they were to fit really loose. So I think these are fitting really well, but they're loud. Like I don't even think I have them all the way up. Yeah, that's full right now. Yeah, I don't think I'd want them ever any louder. And they are like, there's no distortion. They're clean. All right, yeah, I'm pleased with those. That's really nice. And now we'll go get something a little more rocky. So let's go. I was listening to some good old Slipknot because I'm a fan of the Slipknot every once in a while. Duality, that's a good song. Let's try it out. So for those of you that are into the rock and metal, and I've got this cranked up a lot. Oh yeah, they are really loud. I can barely hear myself talk actually. So I might be talking way too loud for you guys. Oh yeah, they're loud. I'm going to turn those down a little bit. Oh yeah. Those are really good. Yeah, no, like really good. Really loud. Nice full sound. $60? Yeah, you'll be pleased with those for sure. All right. Yeah, I'm down. I'm digging it. I'm digging it for sure. Let's take the noise canceling off. Okay, so we're just down to just normal. And what we're going to do now is we're going to do a mic test. So I'm just going to bring up Filmic here. And we'll test to see what the mic is like. All right, so I'm going to put that up here and record and go. So at this point in time, we're switching the mic over. You guys are hearing what's coming out of these earbuds, the Haylou X1s. I get to hear a little bit of monitor as they come through, and I have to say they do sound pretty good. Not distorted, not. A lot of times, I find that when you have a lot of mics for like noise canceling and things like that, they really have a a processed sound to the mic, but so far I would say these don't. So you guys are getting an idea now of what the actual mic would sound like through the X1s. All right, let's get back to this microphone. Okay, you know what? So far, complete win. I don't think you'd have any issues or concerns. Bluetooth 5.2, which is great, so that nice and current. 30 hours, that's 30 hours with the charging case, of course. Active noise canceling, 6 microphone array, low latency for game mode. It does have transparency mode. I'm not sure what they call it, but it does have a transparency mode. And last but not least, if we take them where they are right here, the X1s, we'll take them out, put them in here. They should hopefully just disconnect, close, not connected. Boom. Now the only thing I don't see on here, which I kind of wish they did, and there is, like, it does show that there's like, looks like 3 little lights right there, right here, but I don't see the lights ever firing up. Now it could also be that maybe my case doesn't have any power in them. That's also a possibility. So I will update you on the short, the little 1 week later review video that we do after I've worn these. So just so you guys, if you're new here, a lot of the products that we test, we'll do an original unboxing and testing, which is this video you're watching. And this video that you're seeing, I actually recorded about a week ago, and I've been wearing these now for that week. So when this gets released, there'll be a follow-up video later on tonight. A little short, just a 60-second short, telling you what I think of these after wearing them. Yeah, little bonus. So watch for it. Anyways, I'm going to leave you there. As of now, I think they're great for the price. $50 US, about $60 Canadian. Yeah, win for sure. Links down below if you guys are interested in the Haylou X1s. And that's it for today. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. And if you're interested in cool merch, if you are, links down there as well. Yeah, head on over to the store. All right, my friends, I'm out. Later.